What's up guys, Jayla here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper squishy. So what y'all need is a plastic bag, markers to decorate it, paper, glue, and scissors. So I'm going to pause this while I decorate mine, so yeah. You know what, I'm just doing it on camera, so it's not good. So I just got all my stuff. So I'm doing everything. So I take my paper and take the color marker I want. I love blue. I'm gonna do that color. Draw a circle or whatever shape you want to squish to be. Then cut out. So I'm cutting my paper thing out so far it looks like that. Then you have to repeat. So I have to repeat the same thing over for the squish. See, it looks like this. This is gonna be a mini one. So I cut out my little thing and just decorate it. I'm just rush to do this, so let's do this. So just paper. I'm just draw any stuff, all the stuff that I want. I'm just take my blue and so I took my paper squishy and I'm gonna add all these different colors to it. Now, I think I'm gonna put red. Red's gonna like this is like scribble scrabble, but to me it's gonna be rainbow. Alright. Now I'm gonna put one more color. What did my top to blue marker? Put that on. Then put that one on here. And then we're gonna sit that one. I'm gonna put that in the shoe bag. So put it in there. I'm gonna take the paper and draw another circle with purple. Close the door. Oh, that's way too big. So I'm gonna put this on top of this and trace it.
What you making?
A paper squishy. What is it? Right. Got it on there. Do it myself. Now I'm gonna take it and cut it out. Stop, boy. I'm gonna take it and cut it. I'm gonna take your paper thing and just cut that out. And I think she's gonna make her own on YouTube, but not on this video. This will be like a little mess. So I cut it out, but it's not as big as that one. See that? That one is kind of bigger, if y'all can tell. Let me see if I'll be able to pop that on. Nope. That one. Let's see. So now they are the set size, and what I'm gonna do is just take like the color, just scrabble. I'm taking it and just like scrabble on it, like I did. But the first one, take these. You also can write your name on the back one if you want, but I'm not. I'll do that. So, take some of your plastic bag. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera. So I got like a piece of my bag. So I'll have to cut like this much. Put some glue on it. Like, put some glue on the back. Just put some glue like right there first. And after that, piece of bag I have is going to go. I did that wrong. Go the way that how do I go? Stick those together. And you wanna just like, you should get like this, and glue some more. I'm gonna pause this. Alright. Put some glue on it. Then this is how my paper squishy came out. You can just like squish it. What is that? And it's gonna be like fun. I'm just gonna squish it in and it's gonna come back out. What is that? You can actually hear the crunch noise. Let me see. What is this? Paper squishy. So I will do the collection of how many I will make. But this is the first one. I'm gonna add more plastic bag. So I added more bag and so this is our paper squishy and how it will look like. And if you want to do like better than y'all can, so that was how to make my paper squishy. So that was my video. I'm gonna do a video about taking my hair out. This is my paper squishy. My collection will be in this box. So yeah, thanks for watching.